In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new Slack account and workspace. Whether you're looking to streamline your team's communication or simply explore what Slack has to offer, this walkthrough will guide you through the process from start to finish. First, open up your web browser and head over to the official Slack website. Once you're there, look for an option to try using a different email and give it a click. This will take you to a page where you'll need to type in the email address you'd like to use for your Slack account. After entering your email, you're not quite done yet. You'll need to click on the Sign In with Email button. This will send a magic link to your email account, so head over to your inbox, find the email from Slack, and click on the link to continue setting up your account. Now that you've signed in, you're ready to create a brand new workspace. To do this, find the button that says Create a New Workspace and click on it. You'll be asked to type in the email address associated with your account once more, so make sure it matches the one you just used. After confirming your email, click on First, enter your email to move forward. Follow the on-screen instructions. They'll guide you through some important details to customize your workspace, so take your time to read them carefully. Once you're ready to proceed, click on Create a Workspace. Here, you'll need to give your workspace a name, so choose something that fits the purpose or the name of your team. After deciding on a name, click Next to continue. You might see a couple of these Next buttons. Just keep clicking them as they come up. If prompted to invite others, feel free to skip this step for now by simply clicking Skip this step. You can always invite your team members later once you're more familiar with the setup of your workspace. Lastly, you might be prompted with several plan options. For now, you can choose to click on Start with the limited free version. This is a great way to get started without any upfront cost, allowing you to explore Slack's core features and get comfortable using the platform. And there you have it, you've successfully created a new account and workspace in Slack. Now you can start organizing your channels, messaging your team, and exploring all the wonderful functionalities available to you. Thank you for following along and happy collaborating on Slack.